This is a 99 up box, came in with a complaint of feeling strange from second to third gear. It supposedly was not an intermittent problem. It just felt like nothing was there. It felt like a gate was missing. I only have the tail shaft of this gearbox chucked up in the vise right now. This is my shifter. This is my test shifter. It's not the shifter that the driver was using. And what I want to illustrate here is that the gating or the feel from side to side, the effort you have to exert to get into the first, second gate, the snap back to neutral, and the effort you have to exert to get into the reverse fifth gate, that's all decided by the tail shaft and by the quote-unquote detents that are in the tail shaft. The fore-aft part is really determined by the box internals. So you'll see the shifter will just stay wherever you put it, fore-aft. So pay attention to the complaint you have. Let your rebuilder know what's wrong, and it'll really help him pinpoint exactly what's wrong with the gearbox and really reduce the chances that you'll get a gearbox back with the same problem. So what I suspect, this gearbox had no internal problems that I could find. So what I suspect is the shift bushings were actually screwed up in this gearbox, and I suspect that was causing the complaint for this driver. So that's the reason I wanted to post this. Thanks.